Welcome to YARY Tutorials. In this video, we are going to do exercise 1.1 question number 3. The question is, an army contingent of 616 members is to march behind an army band of 32 members in a parade. The two groups are to march in the same number of columns. What is the maximum number of columns in which they can march? So, in short, it says there is an army contingent which consists of 616 members, and there is an army band which has 32 members, and they are going to do march in a parade. And the two groups they have to be marching in the same number of columns. This is the condition. That is, the army contingent, the number of columns in this army contingent should be equal to the number of columns in the army band. Also, we need to find the maximum number of columns in which they can march. So, since we have to find the maximum number of columns, we will be finding the highest common factor between 616 and 32 to find the maximum number of columns, where you will be getting the number of columns in the army contingent and will be equal to the number of columns in the army band. Since 616 is greater than 32, we will be applying Euclid's algorithm. We will consider 616 as the dividend and 32 as the divisor, and we will be getting the quotient as 119 and the remainder as 8. The quotient is 19 and the remainder is 8 when we divide 616 by 32. Since the remainder is not 0, we will be doing the Euclid's division lemma again till we get 0. So we apply Euclid's division lemma to the 32 and 8 such that 32 is equal to 8 into 4. 4 8s are 32, and we will be having 0 as the remainder. So since we got the remainder as 0, the divisor at this stage will be, that is 8, will be our HCF, that is highest common factor of both the numbers. Since we got the remainder as 0 in the last step, we will be declaring the divisor as the HCF for these two numbers, 616, 32. In our case, 8 is the HCF of 616 and 32. This means that there can be 8 columns in an army contingent and 8 columns in the army band. Therefore, the army band and the army contingent can march in 8 columns each. Hence, our solution is 8. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe to YARY Tutorials. Thank you.